On his first day in office, President Donald Trump called on the Attorney General to pursue the death penalty in cases where undocumented immigrants commit capital crimes.
And now Florida lawmakers are piggybacking off of that and taking it a step further. Instead of just seeking execution, they're going to be mandating it.
It's a drastic move, and some are questioning the legality of it. But will it even matter? Governor Ron DeSantis had a fiery response today.
CBS 12's Katie Benty joining us live from the newsroom with the rest of the details. Katie?
Yeah, Jim, Liz, the immigration battle here in Florida is getting intense with Governor Ron DeSantis and his own party now going head to head. Now, lawmakers just passed this sweeping immigration bill that includes mandating the death penalty in certain cases, but it's not law yet, and DeSantis is already threatening to veto. Florida lawmakers just took a big swing on immigration, passing their own version of a bill, the Trump Act. This 80-plus page bill mandates the death penalty for undocumented immigrants convicted of capital crimes like murder or child rape. It's a direct nod to President Trump's agenda, but instead of asking courts to seek the death penalty, Florida is making it non-negotiable. If an undocumented immigrant is found guilty of a capital crime, they will be executed. Critics argue that goes against Supreme Court precedents.
It's blatantly unconstitutional, in contradiction of decades of well-established law in this state and in this country.
But do undocumented immigrants have the same constitutional rights as U.S. citizens? Well, the answer isn't clear, and legal challenges could be coming down the road. Regardless, it's not law unless Governor DeSantis signs it. And after Wednesday's roundtable, it's looking highly unlikely.
And even though we had proposals that would actually work, they decided to do a bill that not only won't work, that actually is weaker than what we have today.
But the death penalty isn't the reason for DeSantis' pushback. He's lashing out at lawmakers' catch and release policy and the provision that takes control away from him, naming Florida's agriculture commissioner as the state's top immigration enforcement officer. DeSantis has made it clear he's not on board, even writing the veto pen is ready in a social media post. He's also hinting at another special session, one that would get him closer to the bill he wants.
We're not going to quit on this. It's just too important to quit on. And so we're going to keep digging in until we actually get the job done.
Now, lawmakers haven't sent the bill to DeSantis yet, but once they do, that's when the clock starts ticking. 14 days to sign or veto. And if he kills it, which it does seem like he will, Republicans would need some sort of Democratic support to override him. Back to you.